First we have to exit though.
Yeah. I know. So you can tap your wallet.
Yeah. What side do you have the card on?
This side, but it's not. Doesn't
You
work.
might be too. Do you have RFID?
I have, what?
Is it RFID blocking?
I have no idea. It's not. The heck?
Here.
Doesn't. I'll just have to stop it here for now. Alright, we're gonna ride the elevator at the Arlington Cemetery subway station here in Arlington, Virginia. Largo Town Center. I think this is the one that I get on. So if I remember, I think these elevators didn't used to have the doors with the windows on them. That elevator there, I think that's the first metro elevator I ever rode back in 2002. And it used to have the solid doors on it. We're gonna go down and we'll look out this way. We're going to the underground. It's our Arlington Cemetery station, and here's that side. It's gonna probably open on this side here.
Train level. Thank you for using the Metro Rail.